What if I told you that translating English in your head is slowing you down, and that the secret to understanding fast, natural English is learning like a monkey? My name is Momo. I may love bananas, but you know what I love even more? Helping you learn English, the real English that native speakers use every day. And today's story will change the way you listen, think, and speak English forever. Welcome to English with Momo, the channel where English is juicy, fun, and full of banana logic. Before we jump into the jungle, remember, hit that subscribe button, comment banana power if you're ready to stop translating in your head and start thinking in English. Let's swing into it. Part 1. Stop translating. Start feeling English. Every day, millions of English learners make the same mistake. They hear a sentence, pause to translate each word into their native language, then try to form a reply. That's like seeing a banana, calculating its nutritional value, and then deciding to eat it. By that time, the conversation is over. When I started learning English, I did this too. I heard, "How are you?" and in my monkey brain, I said, "Como é que estás?" Then I searched for the correct answer in Portuguese, then translated it back. Talk about slow. This is the moment everything changed. I stopped translating and started feeling English. Just like a banana doesn't need translation, it's yellow, sweet, and obvious, so do phrases like, "Let's go," "No way," "Are you okay?" These are emotional phrases. You understand them with your heart, not your dictionary. Momo's mission: start building instant responses. Practice saying, "Sounds good," "I'm not sure," "Come on." Repeat these every day. Say them out loud. Imagine situations where you use them, because fluent English doesn't come from grammar rules. It comes from emotional memory, just like monkey instincts. Next, we'll chunk English like bananas. Part 2. Monkey phrases. Learn English in chunks, not words. Imagine trying to eat a banana one seed at a time. Ridiculous, right? You grab the whole thing, peel it, and bite into it like a happy monkey. English works the same way. You shouldn't study one word at a time. You should grab phrases, or chunks. Let me show you why. You learn, "Do you want to come with me?" But you hear, "Do ya want to come with me?" If you try to translate word by word, your brain gets confused. But if you train your ears to hear phrases, complete ideas, you become faster, smarter, and more confident. Here are some chunky monkey phrases I love. What's up? Hello. No way. I don't believe it. Hang on. Wait a second. You're kidding. Seriously? These phrases carry emotion, meaning, and context, and best of all, native speakers use them every day. Momo's monkey trick. Repeat the chunk out loud 10 times, then put it into a real-life situation. Try this. "You what's up?" "Friend, not much you?" Now you're chunking like a champ. Your mission today: pick 3 phrases from a TV show or YouTube video. Say them 10 times, no translation allowed. Chunking is how babies learn, and monkeys too. Let's keep going. Part 3. Shadow like a monkey. The power of repetition. Want to speak English naturally? Then you need to copy the rhythm, the tone, and the speed of real conversation. That's why I, Momo the monkey, became a master of shadowing, and now it's your turn. Shadowing is when you hear a native speaker say something, and you immediately repeat it like an echo. No pause, no thinking, just copying. Why does this work? Because it connects your ears, your mouth, and your brain all at the same time. Example: what you doing later? What you doing later? Repeat that 5 times. Try matching their speed. Try matching their melody. Do it again tomorrow, then again the next day. Soon, your mouth will know the moves before your brain even asks. Momo shadowing steps. Choose a short sentence. Listen once. Repeat immediately. Shadow again, faster. Smile like a monkey. Start small. I don't know. Let's go. Sounds great. Shadowing is the shortcut to fluency. It's not magic. It's monkey science. Your jungle challenge. Find a short video today. Choose one sentence. Shadow it 10 times. Record yourself. Compare your first and last try. Banana progress. Let's keep swinging. Part 4. Think with pictures, not words. Here's another monkey secret. Don't think in words. Think in pictures. When I hear banana, I don't think of the letters B-A-N-A-N-A. I see a yellow, tasty snack. And when I hear go to the beach, I see sand, waves, the sun, and maybe a banana smoothie. Your brain is built to understand images faster than text. That's why native speakers don't translate. They picture situations. Try this. I'm walking to school. Instead of translating each word, close your eyes and see it. Picture the street, your backpack, the weather. Now do it with, she's cooking dinner. He's watching TV. We're going to the zoo. See it? No translation, just real-world scenes. Momo's tip: when learning a new phrase, don't ask, what does this mean in my language? Instead ask, what do I see in my mind? Language becomes faster, easier, and more fun. Your task: write 5 sentences. Draw or imagine each one. Say the sentence 3 times while looking at the image. Now that's how monkeys learn fast English. You're doing amazing. Next, we feel the language. Part 5. Emotions unlock language. Feel it first. Here's a truth from deep in the monkey jungle. You don't learn language with your brain alone. You learn it with your heart. Let me explain. Have you ever watched a movie and understood the meaning, even without catching every word, just because of the emotions? That's the magic of emotional memory. When someone says, "I'm so sorry," with a sad face, that's amazing. Leave me alone. With anger, you don't need translation. You feel it. Humans, and smart monkeys like me, are wired to understand emotion first. So why not use this to boost your English? Let's turn language into feeling. Try this activity. Watch a scene from your favorite show, just 20 seconds. Focus on how the characters feel. Repeat their lines with the same emotion. Record yourself. Be dramatic. This makes language stick like peanut butter on a banana. Words like, "I'm okay," "Not really," "Come on," should be practiced with feeling, not just flat repetition. Momo's emotional rule: say it boring equals forget it. Say it with emotion equals remember it forever. Monkey challenge. Pick 3 phrases today. Say each one with 3 different feelings: happy, angry, confused. This is how you train your emotional English brain. Let's add rhythm next. Part 6. Monkey brain training. Build English habits. Learning English once a week is like eating 1 banana a month. You'll never grow strong that way. Here's what I learned. It's not about studying for hours. It's about building tiny, daily habits, just like brushing your teeth or scratching your back. Even 5 minutes a day can create big monkey results if you repeat it consistently. Momo's mini habit routine. 1. Listen. Pick a short sentence from a video. 2. Repeat. 1 minute. Say it aloud. Copy the voice. 3. 1 minute. Write the sentence in your notebook. 4. Say again. Now say it without looking. 5. Act it out. Add feeling, hand gestures, and emotion. That's 5 minutes, a full jungle workout for your English brain. Monkey magic tip. Link English to something you already do daily. For example, when brushing teeth, say good morning. When opening the fridge, say, what do we have today? When walking, say, let's go. Habits build fluency, one banana at a time. Your jungle mission, choose a trigger today. Tie one English phrase to it. Every time that thing happens, say the phrase. Small steps, big results. Banana style. Part 7, the monkey mouth trick. Speak before you understand. Most learners wait too long. They want to understand everything before speaking. But here's the monkey truth. If you can say it, you can eventually understand it. So don't wait. Speak first. Even if you're not 100% sure. That's how Momo learned what's up, long before I knew exactly what it meant. I just kept saying it. Then one day, boom. My brain caught up. Momo's golden rule. Copy first, understand later. Try this now. Let's do it. I got it. No worries. Say them 10 times each. Do it again tomorrow. Then say them when something real happens. That's how your monkey mouth teaches your brain. It's like learning to dance. You don't study the music theory. You just follow the steps. Over time, it becomes natural. Emergency phrases to master. I don't get it. Can you repeat that? That's cool. Use these when you're stuck. Use them every day. And remember, making mistakes is not bad. It's bananas. The more mistakes you make, the stronger your mouth gets. Monkey talk, real talk. Practice loud, practice often. Don't wait for perfect, because perfect is slow. But monkey mouths move fast. Part 8, the no translation game, fast reflex training. Are you ready for a game that will rewire your brain and make English automatic? Let's play the no translation game, a monkey favorite. Here's how it works. I say something in English, and you respond instantly. No thinking, no translating, just pure reaction. That's how native speakers do it. Example, I say, thank you. You say, you're welcome. You don't stop and think, what does thank you mean in my language? Nope, you just react. That's how babies do it. That's how Momo learned. And now it's your turn. This game builds reflexes, just like catching bananas flying through the air. Try this. I say, good morning. You say, good morning. I say, see you later. You say, bye. I say, sorry about that. You say, no problem. Don't worry if your answer isn't perfect. The goal is speed, not grammar. Momo's tip, play with flashcards, YouTube videos, or even while walking. Set a timer, 3 minutes. Say 10 responses, fast. This builds automatic English, the kind that doesn't need a dictionary or translation. Today's monkey mission. Pick 5 everyday phrases. Practice saying the response instantly, 10 times each. No translation. Just instinct. Just bananas. Let's learn how babies and monkeys really master English next. Part 9. Learn like a baby monkey. Real-life repetition. If you want to learn fast, stop thinking like a student and start thinking like a baby monkey. Babies don't study grammar rules. They don't ask, is that present perfect? They watch, listen, and repeat what they hear hundreds of times until it sticks. That's real learning. When I was a baby monkey, I learned, let's go, just by hearing it every day. Humans said it when they opened doors, when they were late, when they were excited. Soon I started saying it too. That's how English becomes natural. Baby monkey rules. Copy what you hear, even if you don't fully understand. Use it daily in your jungle life. Make mistakes with pride. They're banana medals. Try this. Pick 3 useful phrases. Examples. Sounds good. I'm not sure. Let me check. Say each 10 times today. Tomorrow say them in a new situation. Next day add a new phrase. Repeat this process like brushing your fur again and again. Why it works. Repetition and confidence. Confidence equals fluency, fluency equals freedom. No more fear, no more hesitation, just speaking. You're almost a full English-speaking jungle master. Let's finish strong. Part 10, the final swing, live in English. Congratulations, banana legend. You've reached the final tree in our jungle of fast English, and now it's time to live in English. Let's take a look back at the amazing tools you've learned. You stopped translating in your head. You learned to chunk phrases instead of studying words. You used shadowing to copy real speech. You thought in pictures and felt the emotion. You created daily habits to train your monkey brain. You practiced fast response games and acted like a baby monkey. But now comes the most important step. Don't study English. Live it. What does that mean? It means change your phone to English. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, really. Watch shows with subtitles, then without. Sing songs and shadow the lyrics. Think in English while walking, eating, even climbing trees. Language isn't just a skill, it's a lifestyle. So today, declare this. I'm an English speaker now. I don't need to be perfect, I just need to keep swinging. Momo's final mission. Write your favorite phrase from this story in the comments. Record yourself saying it. Watch yourself grow. And remember, this isn't the end. This is your new beginning. Outro. Graduation from the monkey jungle. Thank you for joining me, Momo the monkey, on this incredible ride through fast English learning. What part helped you most? What new phrase will you use today? Don't forget to like, comment, banana power, and subscribe to English with Momo. Because every time you do, we plant another banana tree of knowledge in this beautiful language jungle. This is not just a story, it's your passport to understanding real English faster and easier. So, stay curious, stay bold, stay with Momo.